Today I'm going to teach you how to add alt tags to images on Weebly. Alt tags are incredibly important for both SEO and accessibility, helping search engines understand your images and making your site more accessible to visually impaired visitors. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your homepage where you'll see the main dashboard of your Weebly account. Now look at the left side menu where you'll find several options. Locate and click on Website. This will expand to show you more choices. Underneath it, you'll see an option that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll access all your website editing tools. You'll now be presented with a list of websites if you have multiple ones. Choose the specific website you want to edit by clicking on it. Once you've selected your website, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll notice an Edit button there. Click it to enter the editor mode for your chosen website. Perfect. You're now on the editor page of your website where all the magic happens. This is where you can modify any element of your site, including adding those important alt tags to your images. Next, click on the picture you want to add an alt tag to. When you do this, a pop-up menu will appear on your screen. This menu contains various options for editing your image properties. In this pop-up menu, scroll down until you find the Advanced section. Click on it to reveal more detailed settings for your image. Within the advanced options, look for a field labeled alt text. This is exactly what we need. Click into the alt text field and type a descriptive alt tag that accurately describes what's in your image. Be specific and clear. For example, if it's a photo of a blue ceramic coffee mug on a wooden table, describe it that way rather than just saying mug. And there you have it. You've successfully added an alt tag to your image on Weebly. This simple step will help improve your site's SEO performance and make your content accessible to everyone. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.